once you've completed your very thorough and extensive warm-up, we're gonna move to the meat and potatoes of today's session. Our session today is going to be a strength of deadlifts, banded deadlifts at that. We're gonna be working through 10 sets of 3 reps of the banded deadlift, really trying to focus on building to a heavy 3. We're gonna keep our form and technique solid throughout the duration of these sets. If form and technique break down, please stop what you're doing, take the weight down, or stop for the day. Your safety is number 1. Now, the benefits of the bands are plenty. In the beginning, it's going to go ahead and just feel progressively heavier as we get through the lockout and the finish position of that deadlift. Now we're going to try to overload the strongest point of this movement, which is the lockout. So when we get to the top of the movement, it's going to feel the heaviest, and that's going to help us improve and build power. We're also going to build and improve speed of the lift. And it also continues to help us and remind us that we have to continue to have force throughout the duration of the movement. Now, when we place this down, we're going to go ahead and place this band over the top, draping it just outside where you'll place your hands on the deadlift. You'll go ahead and stand on both pieces of that band. And then we'll go ahead and get our setup. Your feet will be, again, just like a normal deadlift, slightly more narrow than any of your other lifts. Your hands will be tight to your sides, not influencing your legs, moving them in or out as you go. You can have either deadlift position with the hands pronated, supinated, or a combination of both. But once we get ourselves established, we're gonna go ahead and pull ourselves down into a proper position. We're gonna go ahead and brace our middle and push through our legs, standing up all the way on top. Putting that force down into the ground, squeezing the butt at the top, and then we're coming right back down. We're gonna reset on every single rep. We do not want touch and go reps as we move through this. And again, we're gonna go ahead and complete 3 reps. Now, if this band is a little bit too much, you can go ahead and bring it down to a smaller band. We're starting with a 1/2-inch band that's going to provide medium tension to that lift. If deadlifts are still something that you are still working on, you don't need the band. You can go ahead and just work with the conventional deadlift as a scale. And then finally, if you're still learning how to deadlift altogether and the barbell is something that eludes you, we can go ahead and move to dumbbells. Dumbbells or kettlebells are a great way to go ahead and reinforce good movement as we learn how to move an object from the ground to the hang position. So as we move through this, just know we've got many options for today's strength, and it's all going to be beneficial. So let's go ahead, let's tackle this, and let's work to a heavy 3.